Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and we have a stunning wide boy jacked up Toyota Hilux. This thing has got lights everywhere, underglows and so forth. What have we done to this? Okay, we have added a Meta deadlock S5, so it's tracker and immobilized. The new Kenwood 10-inch single DIN unit, which has got Android and Apple CarPlay. We have added Focal K2 power speakers. I don't know if you can tell, but there they are. Fully soundproof the 4 doors. We've also added some focals in the rear, which is hard to tell because it's dark. A couple of amplifiers from AudioControl and some Phoenix Gold double 10s. The 10s were a push to get in here, but we've got them in here. Something like this interests you, give us a ring and we're happy to help. Speak to you all soon. Remember, Waz, B&B Audio Concepts. Thank you guys.